Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My channel is called Expand Video, and this is my first vlog. And I'm walking with my cousin, my sister, and then my mommy. And we are at the park. And I'm using my mom's phone to record right now, so there might be messages, but that's okay. Anyway, we're walking down like a trail. And we just walked here, and we can't stay for a long time because then, oh guys, sorry for the shakiness. I'm just walking down a hill with my hand, and it's really hard. And anyway, I'm walking down the trail. Oh, I almost fell on Raya. So we're keep walking. I'm gonna try to keep the. Okay, everybody knows. Well, I think I'm gonna use both of my hands so it might get a little bit smooth. Okay. So over there are some cars. And wait, actually, that looks like a nice house. And tomorrow is Maya's birthday, and you don't know who Maya is. She's a cute little baby, and her name's actually Amaya, and that's her little sister. Xavier, too much information. Yeah, that is my cousins. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah, hi, that's my mommy. They're both wearing red shirts. And over there is, oh look, everybody look, there's a kite. So guys, there's a kite up there. Mom, do you see the kite? Mom? Yeah, it's up there. Yeah. There's a lot of holes. There might be snakes. But I don't know. This is like maybe our like 5th or 6th or 7th. I don't know, guys, but this is like, we've been at this park for a long time. We've been at like a lot of times. Like maybe like 8 or 9. And I think right here would be a beautiful spot to take a picture. Cause this area. Oh, somebody left their glasses. Guys, somebody left their glasses here. I hope somebody. We're going to keep walking. We're walking through some plants. I'm scared of something happened to me. And if you guys want to see what I look like, this is what I look like. Hi. So, yeah, that's cool. And this video might end really soon, but that's okay.
Are you showing them the sights?
Oh, yeah, I showed them. Yeah. So,
California.
This is a beautiful site to take a picture. If you guys don't know, if you don't see it, then I think I'll try to get a couple of views once we get higher. Because I can try to get views down here. And then, so that's the area. So yeah, that's really cool. So we're gonna keep walking. And if you guys want to visit my channel called Expand Video, it will be linked in the description. And so yeah. There's a bunch of flies. Don't know if you see them, but just passed a bunch of flies.
She say hi to Maya.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't
Okay.
list up the phone number.
Okay. So yeah, that's a beautiful site. If you live in Yucaipa, then I don't know our street, but I might not give any information. Yeah, I know. I just said I won't give any information.
Okay, to say hi to Maya and Zanaya. Okay, bye.
Hey.
Goodbye. Are you done with it? Hi.
No.
Say hi to
Oh, hold on. I need to. Hi. So that's the view. Looks like a cool view. Hold on, let me zoom in so you guys can see it. Look at that view. So gorgeous. Wait, so there's some flowers and so let's get some more views. Oh guys, okay, hold on, camera focus. It's yay, it's focusing. So yeah, that's cool. There's a hole. Yeah, there is.
Why did you get a mom for her birthday?
Let's keep walking. So guys, so up there, some people. So let's see. There. Oh yeah, so my mom's taking a picture. I think I'm gonna end the video soon because it's getting a bit too long. But I think I'll end the video here. So I mean the vlog. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and smash that bell and give it a thumbs up. And hopefully you like it. Bye.